Welcome to Music Lessons with MusiKon Edge Productions. My name is Waldo Diaz, and this is our free music lesson for you. Who am I? I am the founder and director of MusiKon Edge. I also have been teaching for about 18 years. This setup is what we will call the playground. N is the place where we will be playing piano, singing, and going crazy with creation. I want you to learn, but most importantly, I want you to have fun. So, let's get started. Welcome to the workstation, where we'll be studying theory applied to your practice. We have three main registers: the center, the high register, and the low register. And if we go ascending, it would sound like this. And if we go descending, it sounds like this. Also, we can see that we have a pattern in the black keys that is repeated over and over again, up and down. 2 black keys, 3 black keys, 2 black keys, and it keeps going. That means the piano is just a portion, and it goes from C to C, which is repeated over and over again, up and down. We have in music two main elements: the notes or the sounds, and the values or the rhythm, which gives to these notes a length so they can be short or long depending on the music. Now we're going to learn the notes on the piano. From middle C, which is the note right in front of your belly, going higher is going to be C, D, E, and if it's too high to sing, you can lower it down. F, G, A, B, C. Now let's go backwards. C, B, A, G, F, E, B, C. Singing notes is very important because it's going to help you with your ear training, so you'll be able to match the pitch that you are playing. It develops besides your musicality and is playful, so you're going to enjoy it a lot. At the beginning it might be difficult, but with time and practice it'll become a joy. The main values that we'll be studying today are whole note, which lasts 4 beats, half notes, which last each one 2 beats, and the quarter notes, which each one lasts 1 beat. When we press a whole note, we must count 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we hold it down for 4 beats. If we count now a half note, we must count 2 beats. For example, 1, 2. Okay? Now, if we count quarter notes, it's like we count 1 beat. 1, and that's it. Okay? However, remember, every time we count, we're supposed to keep a steady beat. That is very important in music, okay? Not so fast, not so slow, but always steady. Something else, our fingers are gonna have numbers, like the illustration here. So your thumbs are always gonna be 1. Now, I want you to take a distance from your piano, keep your back straight, and sit down on the edge of the bench. Make sure you open a little bit your legs so you feel like you are steady, okay, and balanced. Now I want you to set up your fingers this way. Middle C with the third finger of your left. Remember, my left is going to be your right. So third finger, C, second finger, D, first finger, E. And right hand is going to start with first finger on F, second finger on G, and then A on the third. And now, Let's go back to the playground. We will be playing, for beginners, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Now, pay attention. We already explained that your fingers have numbers, right? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The thumbs are always number 1. Good. Now, we're going to get started. We're going to set up. I want you to set your fingers this way. Middle C with the third left hand. 2 and 1. F, 1, 2, and 3. Remember, you have to play with the fingers like a cat, fingertips, and I want your fingers to be always on the keys. Remember to keep your back straight. That is your health, okay? So that's very important. And have a distance also between you and the piano. To get started, then, I want you to sing the notes at the same time while you're playing. So it will be something like this. C, C, G, G, A, A, G, F, F, E, E, B, B, C, G, G, F, F, E, E, D, G, G, F, F, E, E, D, C, C, G, G, A, A, G, F, F, E, E, D, B, C. Remember, your fingers at the beginning, they won't have enough strength. So you gotta be patient and repeat this exercise over and over again. However, keep singing your notes. I don't care about your voice. I care about you getting the right pitch, because that is gonna be very important for your development as a musician. And it's also good because you're gonna have fun that way. At the beginning, it doesn't matter if it sounds like the greatest singer ever or the best playing piano, whatever. I don't care, just do it. Get started, okay? We'll get better. We will get better with time and practice, because practice makes perfect. Don't forget about that, okay? Now, I'm gonna play both parts, the accompaniment and the melody. This time I won't sing because we are gonna be playing both parts. Remember something that is crucial, especially at the beginning when you are playing and learning. Keeping a steady beat is going to make a huge difference. That would be one of the very first skills for a musician to learn, okay? It can be fun. So, remember to make the most out of your practice. Wish you a happy practice and see you in the next class.